ironstone, so I can't even defend myself while you're trying to squeeze one out.
I was trying. So the friend's gonna shit on you.
Here, I can't understand what you're saying, so why don't you relay it through Hannah?
How does your doorbell? She wants to ring your doorbell so she can tell you to knock knock.
My doorbell, if you go outside and turn on the porch light, you'll see it. It says bell. And you push it.
I was explaining to Aurelia the one-step Beckerism.
Oh, were you?
Be careful I don't walk you out of the house, though.
Because you don't know when it's...
You're not too young to give me shit. Can I sit there? Okay.
Yes.
Well, it doesn't have to result in tears. Sometimes it's...
Wait a minute. I was going to sit there.
Wait until the next
You're reason. You're rosin.
Well,
Yeah?
it's not always that you hurt their feelings.
Okay.
Sometimes the one step too far.
Oh, I don't think it's going to fit.
I don't think
You got a
so.
chainsaw?
That's too big.
That's too big. I don't think that's the problem.
Do you want a chair? Here, you can have this.
It results in rage.
Amber wanted him to sit in the chair so she can show you.
Or sometimes maybe you don't even notice when it happens and the one step too far results in the person who you're telling the story to just like suddenly loses all respect for you but doesn't say anything.
Whatever respect they have.
Yeah, well I feel like I've got that going on.
No.
Well, especially in like when you're in
Who's
a
there?
semi-professional
Who's there?
environment and that kind of tendency
Knock,
is
knock. Who's that?
that
Who's there?
You just make the most
Knock, knock.
appropriate
Who's there?
within what you think is the
What'd you say? Don't sit down. It's a trap.
Make the mistake of getting too comfortable.
Oh,
About
yes.
your butt.
Yeah, she did. It's your butt.
Yeah, that is another.
Start talking about
Who's there?
Yeah, or
Yay.
held belief in something
Why
that
should
the
you
other
glad I
person...
didn't say pumpkin again?
I think the stroke has a formula.
Turn off camera stuff.
Welcome to our circus.
Yeah, or like you have to be a moron to
man.
have an opinion like
Not
that.
home anymore.
Sure. Those are personal attacks.
What?